There go sparkles.
Cameron, you're gonna be doing that for a while.
Something's going on down yonder. Over there and something over there.
That's leaning towards Alvarado. What's really cool is that every time one of them goes off, you can feel the vibration of it.
You kind of can, huh?
I don't know how bad the sound is if you're right next to it.
Probably have to wear earmuffs or something.
Oh, wow. Your ears will be ringing for a second.
Well, they wouldn't be ringing just for a second. Oh, it's huge. They look like they're coming right at you.
Oh, it's an alien! Why does it look like the cheese are moving?
I'm guessing that's why they were saving money, so they could do a big one. Yeah, the smoke's all drifting that way.
Yeah.
There was one year we watched the show, and the smoke was all drifting towards us. We got ash all over the truck. The fireworks truck. I feel sorry for anybody that's parked in the parking lot right now.
And it'll probably drift over them. They're like right next to it.
I don't. Was it a Bronco or?
That Jimmy.
Yeah, Jimmy.
Can you hear that music?
And you had the top.
Oh, sorry. I didn't that. I have no idea. It looked like a frigate. So it hit that and then it went down.
Well, flip in a different direction, please.
Anyways, you're not having Jimmy. I did. I aimed up. And he just.
You had that seat in the back of it, you know, and you had the top off of it. And I remember that year we were like right underneath them.
Right.
They were so close. That's probably when you got that.
Oh, crap, this started too close. Put those on. Put the other ones on that. It's getting close to us. Those are 3.
Those were some windy ones.
Oh, that one was.
Well, now if you pay attention, Justin, you look at them, the fuse, it stops, and you see a little red dot go right up. See, look, see it? Tells it, then it just goes off. The short ones, however, those are
very far away.
How long has it been?
5.5 minutes.
This must be the end.
No.
Dad, do you see them?
Believe me, you'll know when it's the end.
Those are cool. Yeah.
Do what?
The end.
No. Justin, it's gonna get really loud and really insane when the ending comes. This is nothing. I really want to know if Burleson can beat Granbury, because Granbury's fireworks, they went all out. And it sucks because I didn't even get to record the finale. I only recorded 2 minutes of it.
You can see the shape from the last ones.
Yep. And they got some of the weird UFOs. No, they're not words.
That was a letter.
Yeah. They remind me of a UFO.
You don't even see those going up.
That's cool.
Yeah, kind of, if you look for the little red dots.
Whoa. That was a O.
Oh,
Letters.
I didn't see any letters in Granbury. But then again, it could have just been a shape.
Oh, what happened to the cool ones?
It would have been cool if they could have spelled Burleson.
Yeah. That would be actually kind of cool. Where are all the fireworks going too fast?
I wonder if they'll have the crazy golden shower.
What's the golden shower?
It's just a bunch of golden fireworks, and it just looks awesome. That is a big one.
This is the end.
No, not yet.
It's getting crazy.
This is the end.
Get ready.
Big one for last. Now that might be just the middle. That was a big one.
Well, Granbury had like 1,000 of those going off at once for the finale. It was insane.